Hello everyone, welcome to PC Error Detective. In this video, we'll show you how to fix memory leak on Windows 10 by making a simple change in the system registry to reduce unnecessary memory usage. Step 1. Click on the search box located on the taskbar. This allows you to quickly find system tools and settings without opening multiple menus. Step 2. Type Registry Editor in the search box. The Registry Editor is a built-in Windows tool used to view and modify important system settings. Step 3. Click on Registry Editor from the search results. This action opens the registry window where advanced system configurations are stored. Step 4. Click on Yes when the user account control prompt appears. This gives permission to make changes that can affect system behavior. Step 5. Expand HKI local machine by clicking the arrow next to it. This section contains system-wide settings that apply to all users on the computer. Step 6. Expand system under HKey locale machine. This folder holds core configuration data required for Windows to operate properly. Step 7. Expand control set 01 from the system folder. This control set stores current hardware and driver configuration information. Step 8. Expand services to view a list of background services used by Windows. These services manage networking, performance, and other system functions. Step 9. Scroll down and click on NDU. NDU is related to network data usage monitoring and can sometimes cause high memory usage. Step 10. Double-click on Start in the right panel. This value controls how and when the NDU service starts in Windows. Step 11. Change the value data from 2 to 4. Setting it to 4 disables the service, which can help fix memory leak issues. Click on OK to save the changes. The new setting will apply after restarting your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows troubleshooting videos.